Yeah. Hey, what's happening? Class content, here is what? Spring, guys. Tell me, where is this? 718 or 915? 915, Blue Cloud MS. So, more on actuators completed, guys. 11. Where is the 11 one? Admin server, admin client also completed. Circuit breaker, we will discuss later. We'll go for log monitoring using ELK stack. Then we will take the circuit breaker. Remind me. Remind me, I have to teach that one also, right? First you see. Log4j, SL4j, logback, etc. are called what? Logging tools to generate the log messages. ELK stack, sleuth, Zipkin, etc. are called what? Log monitoring tools. What's the difference between log4j? They generate log messages to log file. And ELK stack, sleuth, Zipkin, okay, Splunk, these are not there to generate the log messages. They are there to provide environment to monitor already generated log messages with the proper GUI environment. Already generated log messages with proper GUI environment. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Share the screen. Guys, I have already shared the screen, boss. I don't know. Okay. Because they take log messages from log files of the applications and provide environment to monitor the log messages in what? GUI environment are not there. ELK stack, open source, Splunk commercial and etc. are called what? Log monitoring tools. That means using these tools, we cannot generate the log messages, but we can monitor what? Generated log messages. I hope you understanding my statement, guys. Okay. We can monitor the generated log messages. In microservice architecture, we have different MS projects representing different services, and each project generates its own what? Log file using own logging API to monitor all those log files related log messages in single GUI environment. We need to use what? Log monitoring tools like what? ELK stack, Splunk. What is there? ELK stack of Splunk. ELK stack Splunk, guys. But Splunk is commercial one, guys. ELK stack is open source one. ELK stack is not a single tool, guys. It's a combination of three tools. Spring 2.x in Spring Boot 2.x, we need to take sleuth Zipkin tools for log monitoring activities, which is removed in what? Spring 3.x. So in Spring Boot 3.x, take the support of ELK stack for the same. In fact, ELK stack can be used in what? All versions of the Spring Boot. ELK stack is not specific to one technology, one language, one framework, guys. It is a loosely coupled, non-invasive tool, guys, right? Everywhere it can be used. That's the beauty of what? ELK stack. Note. ELK stack tool is nowhere related to, is what? Nowhere related to. ELK stack tool is nowhere related to, tell me, is nowhere related to certain ELK stack tool is nowhere related to certain is nowhere related to certain language or technology or framework or their versions. That means it can be used anywhere. It can be definitely used anywhere or not there. It can be used anywhere. What is distributed logging? What is distributed log monitoring, right? Okay. When multiple applications or components or microservices are in communication, there will be multiple log file. In order to gather the log messages of all the log files and format and index them having better presentation, take the support of what? Distributed logging tools or log monitoring tools. What they are? ELK stack tools, Jipkin sleuth tools, Splunk, like options are there or not there, guys? Like this, many options are there or not there. Microservice 1 pointing its log file, 2 log file, 3 log file, 4 log file. All of them linked with what? Distributed logging. And they generate better log messages presentation or not there, guys. They generate better log message. Say something, my dear. I want reply, guys. So ultimately, they generate the log messages or they allow us to monitor the log messages. They don't generate the log messages. They provide environment to monitor the log messages. Are you getting my point there or not there? Yeah, ELK stack is combination of how many tools, guys? 3 tools. What they are? E for Elasticsearch, L for Logstash, K for Kibana. Elasticsearch is a NoSQL database software which can store the application generated what? Log messages. Which can store the application generated log messages. L for what? Logstash. It's a pipeline tool that takes log messages from different sources, like applications, and exports them to what? Different targets. Exports them to different target, like what? Elasticsearch, having what? Indexing. It is a visualization UI layer which helps the developer to monitor application log messages in browser environment, having GUI screens. Simply having what? GUI screens. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. It is visualization UI layer which helps the developer to monitor the log application log messages in browser environment having GUI screens. What is the difference between performing log monitoring operations using ELK stack and Jute Zipkin? Okay, 2 points, guys. Jute Zipkin can be used in Spring Boot 2.x. ELK stack can be used in any version, boss. Number one. Jute Zipkin is specific to Java environment, cannot be used outside Java. But ELK stack can be used in any environment. Okay, na? Next one. Jute Zipkin libraries are in the form of jar file. That means they are tightly coupled with Java, right? ELK stack, no libraries, guys. It's a plug and play kind of thing. Third party software. They can be used with any domain project or not. Java project, .NET project, anything. So keeping all these things in mind, should we entertain Sleuth Zipkin or ELK stack? Definitely we have to think about going for ELK stack or not there. So then that's one word that I want to highlight here. Seamless integration. What is there? Whenever you want, you can go. Whenever you can go, come out. You can go, you can come out. You can get into, you can come out. So that is technically called as what? Seamless integration are not there. What integration, guys? Seamless integration. That's a basic advantage we are having, or my dear. Super. What is the difference between performing log monitor? ELK stack supports seamless integration with what? Spring Boot applications, all kind of Java application. That means without adding any starters related to ELK stack to Spring Boot application, we can store and process what? Log messages generated by the applications or microservices. ELK stack can be applied on what? Java, .NET, Python, and etc. projects. Sleuth Jipkin does not support this seamless integration. That means we need to add related starters to Spring Boot application. Sleuth Jipkin cannot be added in other than Java projects. Super. ELK stack can do only log monitoring operations, whereas Sleuth Jipkin can do tracing log monitoring activities. Both guys, it can generate the log. Okay, array, to get the code flow, array, this from here flow gone, from here flow gone, that kind of tracing also possible. ELK stack can be applied on both Java and non-Java application, whereas Sleuth Jipkin can be applied only in Java application. ELK stack can be used in all versions of Spring Boot project, where Sleuth Jipkin is applicable only in what? 2.x version of what? Spring Boot. 2.x version of Spring Boot. Okay. The basic architecture, guys. One or more Java application generates one or more log files. Clear, guys? All these log messages will be stored into ELK, Elasticsearch NoSQL database software, through what? Logstash, which acts as a pipeline tool. Pipeline tool, guys. Come on. Sir, what's the use of this Logstash, guys? This Logstash will tell, hey, Elasticsearch, you have to collect the log messages from 4 file log files, and you have to index those log messages. We have to sort those log messages. You have to identify those log messages. Come on. You have to identify those log messages by based on what, guys? Based on one or other field, maybe ID, maybe time, maybe date. That is called indexing or not there. There are so many properties in every log message, boss. There are so many properties in what? Every log message. So based on the date, time, we have to do that work or not there, guys. Super, guys. Tell me. This is A. This is B, Logstash. And this is C, Elasticsearch. And puts the messages in what? All these messages that are there in NoSQL will come to whom, guys? Will come to whom, guys? I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah. All these messages will be given to Kibana. Kibana provides GUI tool or not there? Kibana provides a GUI tool or not there, guys? I want reply, my dear. Come on. Yeah, Kibana provides GUI environment tool, guys. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Once again, see, from multiple applications, multiple log message files are created. All of them are put into what? Logstash. And Logstash, come on. Okay, guys. Logstash performs the indexing on the message. And those messages will be stored into what? Elasticsearch, which is a NoSQL database software, right? And all those messages will be given to whom, guys? Kibana, which is a GUI tool to display the log messages, are not there. Which is a GUI tool to display the log messages, are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Example application on MS intra communication. Okay. ELK stack pros. Pros means what? Positives. ELK stack pros. Pros means what, guys? Positives, guys. Okay. Give me 1 minute, guys. Yeah. Free and get started. What's the good news? ELK stack is full free, boss. Next. One of the key reasons for the growth of popularity is low financial barrier to entry. All the software components of ELK are free open source tool. That means no upfront purchases are required. And there is no ongoing software licensing fees. Ongoing software licensing fee, right, guys? Tell me next one. Multiple hosting options. Multiple. When it comes to deploying ELK stack, organizations have multiple option to choose from. For organization with rich right capabilities and resources, ELK can be installed on the local server in-house. That means within the company only they can arrange ELK stack, right? Alternatively, organization who can deploy their ELK stack on what? Managed services with what? Amazon, Open Search, partnering with what? Specialist MSC. Or nothing is there. In local you can set up, in cloud also you can set up. That's the meaning of what? Options. Centralized logging capabilities. Yes. Though there are 20 log files for 20 projects, but we can see in single place are not there. One of the most important features of ELK stack is that it offers centralized logging capabilities, allowing users to aggregate logs for increasing complex cloud environment to single searchable index. This capability makes it possible correlate log and event data from what? Multiple sources, enabling use cases like security monitoring, root cause analysis. All these things can be done or not done, guys. Real-time data analysis and what? Visualization. By using Kibana kind of dashboard, we can see GUI environment having log messages. We can have pie chart, bar chart. Some charts can be generated or not there. Official clients in multiple programming language. Is ELK stack is supporting seamless integration or simple integration? Seamless. So it can be used in any language or any technology based application or not there, guys. It can be used in what? Any language or what? Any technology based application development. Community has what? Contributor class, various languages. Elastic provides Many clients are there possible. Yes, guys. Example on Entra application. Download and keep 3 tools of ELK stack ready. I already downloaded, but in front of them, I want to extract them. In front of you, I want to extract them. Wow, what is this? Where is this? Yeah. Yeah, where is this, guys? E drive or D drive? D drive. Here we have ELK stack 1. So total 3 softwares are there. Remove them. Total how many are there? 3 are there. Okay, that's good. There. Logstash, Kibana, Elasticsearch. What is this? Logstash, Kibana, Elasticsearch. Okay, let me install one by one. WinRAR. Where is this? WinRAR. Oh, I removed wrong ones. I kept the folders, I removed the zips. But I supposed to remove the folders and I supposed to. Sorry. For deletion also this much time. Yeah. Right click. Open with what? WinRAR. Right click. Open with what? WinRAR. Yeah. Tell me here, where is this? ELK stack 1. Log stash soft. Some folder, guys. Oh yeah, what is happening for zip file this much time? Maybe bigger software. Is it problem with the system or from yesterday system is behaving bit slow? Okay, whatever it is. This is done, guys. Okay, next one, Elasticsearch. Open with WinRAR. Machine need to format. Okay, say paste. Yeah, this is done, guys. Yeah, tell me next one, Kibana. Kibana genuinely bigger software. WinRAR. Extract to. What is this software, Babu? Okay, when it is busy doing that work, let's see some other things now. Actually, we have to start this. Okay, downloads are done, guys. Tell me, try to start Kibana and Elasticsearch server by extracting them. Okay, edit kibana.yml. See, yes, Kibana and where log messages will be displayed, right? But Kibana should collect the log messages from where? Elasticsearch. Come on. So we have to link Kibana with Elasticsearch or not there? Yeah, in kibana.yml file, you have to uncomment this line. Elasticsearch.host dot something. This line is there pointing to 9200. That means by default, Elasticsearch is running on which port number? 9200 port number. You have to uncomment this line or not there. Definitely you have to uncomment this line or not there, guys. This is nothing but linking Elasticsearch server with what? Kibana server. Linking Elasticsearch server with what? Kibana server. Convinced with me, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good, great, fantastic. So now let's see what we can do there. Okay, this is the secondary one, guys. Super. I think this extraction is completed. Bapre. Actually, basically, Kibana is a big server. Now I have to open kibana.yml. I have to open kibana.yml. Okay, be patient. What we can do. Okay. This is nothing but linking Elasticsearch server with what? Kibana server. Right. Yeah. Start edit kibana.yml. Go to kibana.yml, guys. Kibana soft. Yes. Here, where is this? Configure kibana.yml. Inside this kibana.yml. So far what? Notepad. What is there, guys? Notepad. Yes, in the notepad, what is there? Yeah, Control F 9200. What is there? 9200. File save. 9200 file save, guys. It's coming or not coming, guys? Come on, everyone. Yes. Yeah, this is config. Here is what? Kibana.yml. Okay, that's good. Now I have to start both the servers. If we start Elasticsearch server, okay, that's good. What's the file we have? Elasticsearch.batch in bin directory, and you have to get this message. And moreover, by seeing this message, what we can say, it's running on port number 9200 or not there. It's simply running on the port number 9200 or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Great. Tell me next one. Start the Kibana server. Start the Kibana server, right? Yes. Okay. Start the Kibana server. Develop multiple microservices in communication along with what? Eureka server. Take separate log file in MS or Eureka server project. Create Spring MS or REST service project. Web starter, Lombok starter. Okay, this is what we need to focus, guys. So first let's start the Elasticsearch server. Where is Elasticsearch? Here is there. Go to ELK stack 1, Elasticsoft. Yes, this is there. This is there. Tell me here, what is the story? Bin directory, elasticsearch.bat. Right click, say run as administrator. Say yes. Run as administrator, say yes. I hope it is started, guys. Open this. Yeah. Browser opening also this much time. What's happening, guys? Arre, arre, what's happening? This much heavy software, huh? Come on, guys. Come on. Do you want to include? Arre, Nora, I am not using this. This much heavy software it is. I don't think so. Do you think it's this much heavy software? Yeah, now it came. It came, guys. Coming. Yeah. Let's see. Tell me here, boss. Where is this? HTTP. HTTP colon. Localhost colon. What is there? 9,200. HTTP colon localhost colon 9,200. Did I not start Elasticsearch server? Still starting, Bapre. Refresh. I should get one message, guys. JSON message. If I can see that JSON message, I can see my Elasticsearch server is started. Today, what I started is Elasticsearch server or something else. Forget about this. Yeah, elasticsearch.bat. It came. So that means we are ready with Elasticsearch now, boss. Okay. Next, boss. Elasticsearch is ready. Then start the Kibana server. It runs on what? 5601. 5601 port number. Okay. Where is my Kibana, guys? ELK stack 1. Here is what? Kibana soft. Here is again what? This. Tell me. Bin directory. What directory? Bin directory. Here is my kibana.bat or not there. Run as administrator. Run as administrator. Yes. Yeah, Kibana takes time to start. Compared to Elastic, Kibana takes more time. Fine. I don't want to waste my time, guys. Yeah, tell me here what I said. SL4J, Log4j, Logback, and etc. are called what? Logging tools. Logging tools. Logging tools because are called logging tools. because this tool generate log messages to log file. ELK Stack, Splunk, Sleuth, Jipkin called log monitoring tools because using these tools we gather generated log messages for better use and monitoring. For better use and monitoring of log messages. Monitoring of log messages. Yeah. Okay, now what I want to do is, now this is the home page I should get. Now I will take the same project, one Eureka server, one provider, one consumer. Everywhere I try to write the log messages by default it will come give support of what? SLF4J with logback. By default it is enabled with what? SLF4J with what? Logback. So total 3 projects, 3 log files, but I want to see all the log messages in a single place. That is what? ELK stack. In ELK stack, which tool? Kibana. In ELK stack, where we should see guys? Kibana. We have to see that one in what? Kibana level. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Create Spring REST. Yeah. Now let's take these 3 things, guys. 1, 2, 3. Copy this, paste it. Where is this? 9. Billing MS provider. What is there? ELK stack. Eureka server. Yeah. Next one. 09. Consumer. Where is this? Actuators. ELK stack. Yeah. This is my Eureka server. This is my COT MS. This is my what? Billing MS. Provider ELK stack, right? Provider ELK stack. That's good, great. So now everywhere, but by default SL4J support came. We have to just enable log messages. See, what are the things? Logging.file.name. You have to specify the name of the log file. What level log messages you want to record. From on root package com.nt means what? Almost in every package. Okay, I want to get debug level messages. What about remaining predefined packages, sir? On them by default info is enabled. On this com.nt package, what I am enable? Debug and name of the application. So total this is, but in that application, I have to write the log messages. See, SLF4J will give me log object. Array, you know that, na? Lambda KPI nowadays, this is not SL4J is not a SL4J annotation. SL4J is a Lambda KPI annotation. When you add this one, that automatically gives me what? Log object. This automatically gives what? Log object. I think somewhere I have written that comment. Check it out. At the rate SL4J annotation gives logger object having name log dynamically. The equivalent code is logger log is equal to logger dot get logger of class name dot class. Or if you want to enable logging on any class, you have to write that code. But instead of writing that code, we are going to get simply through one annotation or not there. What is that annotation, guys? At the rate SLF4J. That dynamically gives me what? Log object are not there, guys. That dynamically gives me log object are not there. Yeah, Abhishek, give me 2 minutes. Let me write the log messages, then I will come back. Okay, I invited one senior student to share his journey, guys. Give me 2 minutes. I'll come to you. Yeah, here. How to write the log messages? Tell me, guys. Specify the log file. Specify the log file. Logging dot file dot name. Logging dot file dot name. D colon slash ELK underscore. What underscore? D colon slash ELK underscore. Okay, some name, guys. This we are doing in what? Billing. Billing MS underscore log dot txt. D colon slash ELK underscore billing MS underscore log dot txt. We are ready this one or not there? Yes. Okay, guys. Next one. Specify log file name. What is there? Specify log file name. Uh, Specify log file name. Logging dot file dot name D colon slash this one, guys. Okay, specify logger level. Specify logger level. Logging dot level dot com dot nd. Logging dot level dot com dot nd. I want to enable debug level here or not there? Yes, I just want to enable debug level. That is done? Yes, that's good. Fine, fantastic. But now you have to write log messages, guys. To write the log message, we need a logger object, right? Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, here. I think I have already added Lambda KPI, not added. Maybe not added. Can I add Lambda KPI to the project? Yes. Come on, let me add Lambda KPI. Yeah, tell me. Spring guys, add starters. Spring guys, add starters. Add starters. Tell me. Lombok API. Say next. Pom.xml. Say finish. Done. Yeah, here is what? SLF4J. What is there? SLF4J. Tell me. Log.debug. Log.debug. Did I create log object anywhere? No, but it's coming automatically or not there. It's because of that annotation? Yes. Log.debug. Start of main method. There is some log message, guys. Start of main method. Yeah, this is what server OS? Billing MS. What MS? Billing MS. Okay. Right. Where is this? End of main method billing MS. But this is not the main component, Rababu. What is main component? A REST controller is main component in our project or not there? Microservice. Yeah. Microservice is the main component. Okay. Yeah. Let it be at the rate SLF4J. SLF4J. Yeah. Here we have methods now, boss. Yeah. Do you need this threaded dot sleep today? Not required. Yeah. We don't need this. Tell me. Log.debug. Log.debug. Do billing method. Do billing method start. Start. Okay. Log.info. Log.info. Bill amount is generated. Bill amount is generated. Log.debug. Result is generated. Are we ready with this, guys? Come on. Result is generated. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Right. Okay. Now, once we are ready with this, like this, we have to do on Eureka server and consumer MS. We will do that one later because someone is waiting for addressing you people to share his journey on my request. Participants, his name is Mr. Abhishek. Abhishek Kumar. Abhishek, unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi.
Abhishek, unmute yourself. Yeah. Go ahead, Abhishek. Please unmute. Yeah. Abhishek, go ahead. You are muting yourself again. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Can you show us
Yeah.
website where you have downloaded? Are go and search in the internet. Come on. Okay. Right. Abhishek, go ahead. You can speak bit loudly. You are audible.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, sir. Okay. So this is Mr. Abhishek. So Mr. Sir only given that Mr. but basically I'm Abhishek Kumar. I am from Bihar and I have done the BTech from electronics background in 2016 pass out batch. And later I joined